Hey there, how are you doing? This is Kali from Tech Fanciers. So after a long time, we are back with the this Redmi Note 12 4G Tapas or Topaz. So in this video, I will be trying to update this to latest Android 16. So here I am trying with the PixelOS 16.2, which is latestly released like 1 or 2 to 3 days back. That one I will be installing it in here. So there are some prerequisites for this, like you have to flash the firmware 2.0, and then you need Orange Fox recovery, and all those things and the required files will be in the description of this video. If you have any doubts and concerns, queries, just let me know in the comment section. Also, if some steps, if you find it difficult or something, well, you can watch the playlist of this Redmi Note 12 4G using the link or the I button in here. So let's get started. Also, this particular method I will be using, I will not be using the PC, I will be fully using the this pen drive. So if you have a pen drive, you can use it, or else you can use the ADB side load method. So that also there. Before getting into the exact procedures, first we will just turn off the security lock and remove the Google Play Store. That is really important. So for that, I'll go to security and unlock device unlock, and the settings here. After that, I'll select none. Okay, once we remove the things, we need to go to Google services account, and then manage account on this device, and then I'll just remove it. I have removed all the accounts and the security. So now we have to reboot the recovery. First, for that, I will just turn it off. If your device doesn't have the recovery, I have made a video on installing, like how to install a recovery, so you can watch it. So for this instance, I will use the volume up and power button. Once the vibrates, you can leave those two buttons. So all the recovery files I have copied in this particular pen drive. So yeah. Okay, so now we are in the recovery. So now I can just directly connect this, but before connecting it, I have to make sure to wipe the data, which is really important. Why? Because we are going to do the clean flash. So make sure you take all the backup of all your data and files, which is really important to do. So I will select Dalvik cache, metadata, data, and even internal storage. I don't want it, right? And then come back and go to format data. So this is the important step. Just format the data. Okay, so now come back, and then what we have to do is we will just connect this. Okay, and if you click here, you can see USB storage. Here I have all the files. So now what I have to do is, first I need to install the firmware. So here we are using the 2.0.12, which is for mentioned for Tapas. Also there is another version which you have to use it for Topaz, other than the outside of the outside of India, or else the device which has the NFC. So yeah, so I have installed this. Will install this Tapas. Okay, now it is done. Next, what I do is I will go here and I'll just install the ROM. Also, I need to select this reflash Orange Fox after flashing the ROM. Okay, so here you see flashing AB to inactive partition slot A. You can see here, right? So basically this is currently getting installed in the A partition. Our current partition, whichever we are booted, this recovery is in the B partition. If you are having doubt like what is A and B partition and this one, I have made a dedicated video on it, so you can watch it, which will be helpful for you. This will take some time because we are using this USB pen drive, so let's just wait. Okay, so it took some time, and now I have installed it. Device on super may not mount until after reboot to recovery. To flash additional zips, please reboot to recovery and switch to updated partition. So now we are in the B partition. We need to do the updated partition. So I will check whether is there any steps are there. We have the format data and reboot. So I will do the format data and type yes. Okay, I have formatted the data. Now I will just go to reboot and reboot to the recovery. Okay, we don't even need this, I guess. We can remove it. Okay, we have booted to Orange Fox recovery. But I'll click here and click to reboot. So here active partition is yes, so we have actually booted to active partition. So now nothing but we can directly reboot to the system. So it is with the Google Gemini or Google boot animation is happening. Okay, so now we have successfully booted to the Pixel. So let's get started. Okay, so I'll use I'll connect to Wi-Fi. Okay, I'll sign in using my Google account. Okay, we have signed into our Google account, so I will use pattern. Okay, and let's try the fingerprint. I'll add another later. I'll add face unlock as well. Yeah, almost done. So free up space, use location, allow phone number verification, biometry. Okay, yeah, I don't want to set it. No thanks. No thanks. So finally we are in the home screen, which is looking good, like a pixel, right? So let me go to the setting and check the about phone and then the Android 16. Yeah, so this is Android 16, which is with the security patch of February 2026. In other builds we may have for March 1 month older, but it's fine. The kernel here we have is 5.15.148 and the build date is relatively new, which is 7th March. So we have device specific setting to set the refresh rate to high and direct audio enhancer. So we will go through all these things. Let's just check, is there any update? I guess there won't be any update. Okay, so also this is unofficial build, so we can't expect much. And along with that we have a Dolby Atmos and normal camera AOSP based camera app. Nothing fancy. As we know that this is just the Pixel OS. The customization here it will be very less. I have to check a few more things like whether we can have the spoofing options and we have the integrity fix, all those things. So that I will make it in another video as it is getting long. So this is the basic installation of Pixel OS Android 16 based on our Redmi Note 12 4G. So yeah, thanks for watching. Code Moto.